Check out our newest feature release. Now you can save elements inside the email builder so that you can use them later and forever. So what is this new Save Elements inside of the email builder all about? Well, let me tell you. This new feature in our CRM allows you to save sections in the email builder for future use, streamlining your email creation process for increased productivity. Why it matters and how this is going to help you in your business. Well, first, you are now going to be able to save and reuse email sections such as headers, social bars, and footers. You'll also be able to now maintain that very consistent email design and look. You'll be able to save valuable time when creating any new emails by easily incorporating pre-designed sections. First, I want you to go ahead and click on Marketing and then go to Emails. From there, I want you to choose either campaigns or templates, whatever's right for you. Now you're going to go ahead and create a new, or you can also edit an existing email. The cool part about this is now you can save a section for future use. So to do that inside of your email builder, you're going to go ahead and select the section you want to save. And now you are simply going to be able to click the save icon. That's how easy it is. Don't worry, you'll be able to also organize all of those saved elements for future use, including renaming them or deleting them. And then in order to use those saved elements, this is what you need to do. You're either going to create a new email or you can edit an existing one. You'll do that by going to Marketing, Email Campaigns or Templates, and then do a plus new to create a new email. Now you will see this new drag and drop saved section, and it is that simple. Simply click on the element that you would like to go ahead and drag over to your new email, and there you go. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.